Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. A fire that raced through a hall hosting a Christian wedding in northern Iraq killed more than 100 people and injured 150 others last week on Tuesday. A video of the incident has now gone viral online. The video from the inside of the wedding venue near the village of Karakosh, also known as Al Hamdaniya, shows the moment when fire broke out, and the flames spread within seconds. The bride, whose mother and brother died in the blaze along with several other family members, has been unable to speak. What was supposed to be the most memorable time of their lives has become a nightmare for Iraq's newlyweds, Haneen and Ravin. Last week, the inferno at their wedding venue left loved ones and over 100 guests dead. The bride is now speechless, and her new husband feels devastated. During an interview with Sky News, Ravin said, "Inside we are dead. We are numb. We are dead inside." Ravin added that 18-year-old Haneen is still in shock and can't speak, after losing 10 members of her family, leaving her father in intensive care in hospital. The bride lost her mother and brother, while Ravin lost 15 relatives when a fierce blaze engulfed the crowded wedding hall in Karakosh, situated near Mosul in Iraq, on Tuesday. Sky News quizzed Ravin on the cause of the blaze, which was initially blamed on indoor fireworks. He said it may have started on the ceiling. He said, "It could be a short circuit, I don't know. But the fire started in the ceiling. We felt the heat. When I heard the crackling, I looked at the ceiling. Then, the ceiling, which was all nylon, started to melt. It only took seconds." Iraqi civil defense officials have attributed the highly flammable building material as the potential contributory factor in the rapid collapse of the wedding hall building. Using flammable decoration helped the fire to spread quickly and transformed the hall to a fireball, said Interior Minister Abdul Amir al-Shamari. Ravin revealed that there was a sudden power outage moments before the couple took to the dance flood. When the lights were back, he saw fiery embers coming down from above. The 27-year-old groom helped his wife escape the blaze, who couldn't run out fast because of her voluminous wedding gown. As the funeral, prayers, and mourning continue in the community, the couple say they can no longer live in their hometown. Ravin said, "We can't live here anymore. I mean, every time we try to have some happiness, something tragic happens to us and destroys the happiness. So, it's best for us to leave." The town, also known as Hamdaniya, is home to 26,000 Christians. The Iraqi Christians once driven from their village by Daesh are now drenched in a man-made tragedy that could have been averted. Public anger has flared over the high death toll, which General Saad Faleh, head of the commission investigating the tragedy, said currently stands at 107. The owner of the hall and 3 other staff members had allowed 900 people into the venue when it was designed for a maximum of 400. Civil defense had carried out an inspection of the site earlier this year, and the owner was ordered to remove the ceiling by October because of its highly flammable materials, he added. The main cause of the fire was 4 fireworks that shot showers of sparks 4 meters 13 feet high, Faleh said, adding that these ignited the prefabricated panels in the ceiling and also the hall's decorations. Shamari said the hall's owner, thinking that a short circuit had started the fire. What do you think? Write in the comment section.